It's not just about passing down deeds and LLCs, and these tangible things. It's also about how do we give the next generation the blueprint for sustaining the success that we laid the foundation for them to create. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses and digital education. So I'm super excited that you guys are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. What is going on, awesome party peeps? It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. Happy, what's today? Friday. Oh my goodness, we're already at Friday, the first Friday of 2025. What is going on, IG? I see you on as well. If you're watching this on the Jump First Academy YouTube channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop. And let's get into it today. Today's topic is say what only you can say. So if you are new here and you don't know what it is that we do, we talk all things premium courses, whether that's online or face-to-face. We also talk luxury mentorship and coaching brands, and really how to package your message, your unique life experiences, and get them out to the world, okay? I know a lot of people have been hearing a lot of things about courses, and some people think that courses are not here to stay. They're gonna fade out. I mean, we've been talking about them for a while now, right? Like, so if this is your first introduction to online courses or you don't have one up and running yet, and you're kind of holding off because you think that they're gonna fade out, they haven't thus far, and they are not going to, okay? So let's talk about how you stand out, whatever product, service that you are selling, you're putting together, but specifically your online courses. A lot of folks have this notion that I'm not going to create my course because somebody else is already teaching it, somebody else is already doing it. So what possible advantage could I have moving forward? Or why would someone pay me to learn from me and to hear what it is that I have to say? And I want to bring this real quick because I know a lot of people talk about or think about this notion of begging for attention, right? Or showing up online and placing content, and you feel like maybe you're going to be in this sea of again, people who are already doing the thing, and what's actually going to make you stand out. I say this often and I mean it, like your own story and being able to tell your story is the thing that's going to help you stand out, but it's a way that you package it as well. And so that's where the title of this message really comes in. As a quick reminder, I want to make this short and to the point, is that only you have the unique experiences that you have. So really, in order to stand out, you just have to say the things that only you can say. Okay, very simple. And the other way is to show the things that only you can show. I learned this as a university professor. So you guys know, well, maybe you don't. If you haven't been following, then you don't know this. But if you have, welcome back, okay, to the channel. I'm excited that you are here. Again, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop and we can hang out. So I went all the way through school, okay? Young university professor, young PhD, right? And when I started teaching university, here's the point that I want to make. There were so many activities and things. What's going on? Life is good. I love your screen name. Good morning. I gave you a like. I appreciate you. I hope you prosper today. Same to you. Okay. Same to you. And so when I first started teaching university, there were all these activities and I felt like they were just boring. Okay. They had no sauce, no flavor. They were a lot of the activities that were being used inside of the classes were full of fluff. You know what I mean? Like they were just activities that were just there for the students to do. And it just lacked fun. And so I started coming up with new activities, ways to engage my students and really promote discussion and promote their creative thinking, all of those things. Side note, having this conversation yesterday with someone about using your actual brain as a tool. Okay, don't let your brain use you. And what I mean by that is like, just because you think something doesn't make it true. So you have to think about your thoughts. You have to think about the things that you're thinking and really what you're allowing in. And so back to what we're talking about, along those lines, I started thinking about creative ways that I could engage my students. And I was like, let me come up with some different activities. And that actually propelled me to start creating courses for university. You know, people started to take notice of the activities and the feedback that I was receiving from my classes. And they started asking me to create and develop these courses. And that's kind of also where it ties into the story of me starting Jump First and why I actually, became a course creator, an expert in this field, and help other people create their courses. But other than that, here's what I really want to highlight. Those activities that I would create for my university classes came from my direct experiences. Again, I had this experience of going straight through school, like I said earlier, all the way from kindergarten to PhD, okay, with no stops, no breaks. And so that experience helped me take a bunch of courses, figure out what was working, what wasn't working, right? What I actually enjoyed as a student versus the things that I really didn't. And I was able to take those experiences that I had and package them in a way that would appeal to my students being on the other side of the learning process, right? With having to teach now these concepts. And so I say all that to say that only from my lived experiences could I say the things that I said because I had experienced it, right? So I want to encourage you when you're packaging your courses, pro tip, say the things that only you can say. What is it that makes you unique? What is it that makes you different? You cannot hide your achievements. And this is specifically for my high performers because we are taught to be more humble, right? To tone it down. And you don't have to be arrogant to tell people what you've achieved, but you do have to talk to people about your experiences, about your accomplishments, about the things that you've achieved, because that's what's going to help you stand out. That's what positions your authority, your expertise. That's what helps you say the things that only you can say because you have that experience, right? So I talk a lot about going all the way through school, having the PhD, being a university professor, all of those things, because that solidifies my authority to stand in this field and teach people how to create courses. We have too many scammers out there, too many people who are saying that they know how to teach a course just because they created a course, which honestly, sometimes, a lot of times, no shade, okay, if this is you, but sometimes their courses aren't going that well, okay? And so it's your authority, it's the thing that nobody else can take from you, your experiences that really help you stand in a space where you're able to say the things that only you can say and show the things that only you can show. You got to found it in your experience, but also take your knowledge, the data, the research that you've done and pair it together. And that is what's going to help you carve out your lane. Okay. I hope this is helpful. I hope this makes sense when it comes to your courses. Is it Therese? I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Says amen. Okay. I love the agreements here today. Dr. Hiller, thank you. Psychedelic City. I appreciate you. Okay. I appreciate y'all so much when y'all come on this channel and y'all show support. And I love it. Okay. This is like the power of, again, standing in your lane, saying what only you can say. You build this community of people. And this has happened to me throughout, the years that I've been doing this. So I really, really appreciate y'all gathering together and having my back. I say, you don't have to say much when you show up authentic, okay, genuinely yourself, like your community gathers behind you. And I really, really appreciate that. Thank you, Giuseppe. I appreciate it. I'm trying to get this piece of hair like tucked somewhere. It's so annoying to me right now, but I really appreciate that. It says your smile is perfect. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Life is good. What's going on? It says I broke a sales record on Black Friday and won the shift bid for the company I work for. Congratulations to you. Super, super excited. The hate was immense, but the competitive environment fuels me. Yes. That is the key, okay? I talk a lot about that. That is the key. Made 200K last year and finished number 2 out of 105. Congratulations to you. I love that, okay? Let's celebrate that win on today. I appreciate all of y'all so much. I love y'all so much. I hope y'all have an amazing day. If you're interested in learning more about packaging your courses, you want the framework to be able to do that. This sounds like something that interests you and you are just ready to go to jumpfirstacademy.org to get started, okay? There's a free training over there. We're adding additional resources by the day to help you really get this done. I'm all about not just consuming the information, but helping you really take action so that you can move this thing forward. Don't let your ideas stay ideas, okay? Execute them, implement them, move them forward. And when you have resources available to you, I'm a firm believer in grabbing them. Nothing happens by accident. What you ask for, it always appears. Okay, so grab the opportunities in front of you. If this is something you've been thinking about, I'm encouraging you, go check out the free training and the resources over at jumpfirstacademy.org. If you're interested in learning more advanced strategies, I do have another free training that is live. Okay, so the one at jumpfirstacademy.org is on demand. You can access it at your leisure. I'm encouraging you not to wait. Just go get it. Okay, go get it. Go get it. Go get it. The live training is going to happen next Thursday. Okay, on the 9th is the next one. And so I'll be teaching live advanced strategies for pricing your courses. If you want to price them at, most of my clients start between $4,000 and $6,000 to start. Okay. And then you can start pricing at 10,000, 15, 20,000, whatever it is that you want to price your courses. I know that's not for everyone and it might sound like a foreign concept, but I promise you, if premium courses are your thing, you have a message or a high performer and you're ready to package that thing up, it is possible. And I want to show you how to do that, how to package it, how to start selling it, how to present it, all of those things inside of the advanced training. Now, to keep the integrity of that training, it is free, but you do have to go apply. Okay. So we have to be able to make sure that it's the right training for you. And even if it's not, we have other resources that will help you get started. But if you want to check out the advanced training and submit an application for that, you can go to jumpfirstacademy.org/VIP. Okay, so come be my VIP. Again, it's jumpfirstacademy.org/VIP. Also, if you are new here, life is good. I appreciate the new sub. Thank you so much. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification. I don't know what you're waiting for. Okay, lots of gems and all sorts of community here for you to start exploring your courses and packaging those up into mentorship programs, and not just one-off courses. Let me put this here. Not just one-off courses. I teach you how to build a course business, okay? Because I really believe in sustainability. I believe in the efficacy of courses. I want you to have effective, not just knowledge, but something that will help people implement, something that will transform other people's lives forever. I also want to help you create these assets, okay, that will live on beyond your years. They're sustainable to your genealogy, to your lineage, to your people who are coming after you, okay? So this is bigger than right now. I know my purpose, I know if you're watching this, your purpose is bigger than right now. And so it's not just about passing down deeds and LLCs, you know, and these tangible things. It's also about how do we give the next generation the blueprint for sustaining the success that we laid the foundation for them to create. Okay, that's my mission. That's my purpose. That's what I'm all about. Giving the blueprint, and courses help you do that. And so again, if you're interested in getting started, jumpfirstacademy.org. If you want to check out the VIP advanced training, jumpfirstacademy.org/VIP. If you want to hit subscribe, okay, and stay connected, please do so. I would love to have you here. Just hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification, and you'll know when more episodes like this drop and when I'm live. I appreciate all of y'all so much. Again, I love y'all. I can't say that enough. I appreciate y'all. Life is Good says, hardest thing is being successful and not being able to share good news without people thinking you're arrogant. You should be able to share good news with people, like you said. Absolutely. And it's just finding your people. You know, like my clients and students and mentees, like we share all the time. I'm hyping up wins. Okay. We hype each other up because that's important. So you just have to find your community, the community of people who are going to support you. I always say this, people who are doing less than you will always have the most to say, unfortunately. But I mean, we don't have time for that. Okay, we don't have time to think about that, to consume that. We also don't have time to hate on somebody else or rain on somebody else's parade, because we're too busy living our lives and accomplishing the things that we have been purposed to do. And so that's just it, okay? I appreciate you checking out the training. Life is Good. I help people within the company for free by mentorship and referred over 25 people. I love that. That means you have a lot of case studies, testimonials, things that will help other people continue to sustain their success. And so now, yes, now is the time for you to start offering courses or mentorship and training at these prices, okay? Putting some prices on some things. And not to say that you can't still offer some free training and some free help, but you can also have your paid training that will help people just go deeper. And I'll save that for another episode of why we offer paid training. Life's Good said, this is God, because everyone says I'm bigger than working for someone. Boom. There you go. Okay. Sometimes we just, and it's not like arrogance, right? I know exactly what you mean. It's like feeling like this big fish in a little pond, like you can't expand anymore and you need you need a bigger space. You need a bigger environment. I felt like that too when I quit my 9 to 5. I was like, I gotta go. Like, I can't stay here because I feel restricted. And so I totally get it. So yes, check out the training again, jumpfirstacademy.org, or the advanced training. You can check out both. You know, the advanced training is next Thursday. So if you want to do the free training first, jumpfirstacademy.org, and then register for the advanced training, jumpfirstacademy.org/VIP. I put the links in the description. Have a good day as well. What's up, CJ? It's good to see you on. Again, IG, hello, sending love your way as well. Blessings back at you, Marie Allen Music. I appreciate all of y'all. Love y'all. Have an amazing Friday. Don't forget, if you're watching this on the Jump First Academy YouTube channel, send this to someone who needs it, okay? Who's interested in premium courses as well, or just needs a boost of encouragement and inspiration. I love y'all so much. I'll catch y'all back here tomorrow. I'm out of here. I gotta go. I gotta run to another appointment, but I will see y'all back here tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Bye, y'all.